In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks and index funds in your Fidelity HSA. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log in or sign in to your Fidelity account. And then once you're in here on the dashboard, you will see this button over here, top left, which says Accounts and Trade. So what you want to do is just click on that, and then from here, click on the third option, which says Trade over here. So this should say Trade over here. As you can see, it cut off a bit on the screenshot. However, just click on Trade. Now, once you're here, you have to go to the next step, which will be this one. It will say Trade at the top, and over here, where it says Trade, you'll have to select the investments you want to make. So for this instance, if you click on the drop-down menu, you'll have a bunch of different ones, so stocks, ETF, crypto, etc. And what you should do is, of course, select stocks or ETFs, because this is what this video is about. Then where it says select your account, you want to select your HSA, and then once you do that, you want to look for the symbol. So for the either the stock or the ETF you would like to buy. So you will have to type it in, or you can just search it over here. It will pop up, and of course you can research which one you want to do, and after you find one you like, you can simply type that in, and then you're ready to go. Now from the next step, you'll have to select buy over here, and then let me show you what this looks like. So there we go. This is what you should look like. Now it will say mutual funds over here, or stocks, ETFs, whatever you want to do. And then you have to have your HSA account over here, and it will show your cash available to trade. And then you will have to find your symbol, as I said earlier, up here. So what you want to actually get. In this instance, it was the Fidelity 500 Index Fund, and you'll see the price of it over here. And then the action should be buy, and you then have to put in the dollar amount you would like to buy. So in this instance, it's $1. Of course, you can do as much as you want. Now over here at the bottom right, you can see there's the estimated order value, and then you have to click on preview order. After you click on that, you'll see this page over here where you can see all your information. So if everything is correct over here, if the account is the right one, the symbol, the description, action, amount, and type order, so trade type, and then the estimated order value as well, you can simply click on place order, which is this one over here, and then your order will be placed. If it's not correct, you can click on edit and simply edit anything that's missing or wrong up here, and then go back to review order or preview order, click on place order again, and then your order will be placed. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.